Hey guys, it's Blayde again from Cardio Security. We are here at Players Classic 2025. Now we're here with Slam Sanctuary and Airlift, as we are every single year, and there is a wicked selection of cars to look at today. So let's go and have a look. So just come across this stancy boy Leon, but what I'm more interested in is what's in the boot. Take a look at that. He's got a whole spare wheel flushed into his boot. He's got his Gloss bits and bobs all in little holders on the side, and then he's got his big boy Vibe Hex sub reverse mounted into the back seat delete there. Wicked boot build. Just found this BRZ as well, another stancy boy car, but again, wicked boot build. Look at these hard lines in here. So they've been copper coated by the looks of it, all carbon dip tanks, obviously airlift performance. Looks the nuts. Now I've got to mention this. I haven't ever seen someone doing a rolling tank, let alone a rolling tank. They've bent the hard lines, the copper hard lines, to say Polo as well. And then the rest of it's just a wicked install. He's got the carbon dip boxes for the 2 8-inch subs at the back. This is probably one of the most inventive and original boot builds I've ever seen. So fair play to whoever built this. Now this Leon's got a wicked boot build. Full back seat delete with 2 Alpine Type R subs at the back and the amp in the middle. Roll cage wrapped up in the matching leather for the interior. Alcantara floor, and then you've got the chrome hard lines and then the 2 tiny little tanks. I'm going to assume there's probably a tank underneath, and then the airlift performance management. Looks wicked. Shiny wheels seem to be the theme this year, so let's start a compilation. 3, 2, 1, go! Would you like to be on YouTube?
It's Blayde from Cardio, and today we're going to talk about Japanese cars. Here's one I found earlier.
Right, so we've made it full circle back to the Slam Sanctuary stand, and just whilst we're here, talk about what we've got. So we've got a few new drops, a few of the new t-shirts that have just landed, and then on the stand we've got our R129, we've got E30 LTO, we've got our custom mix W124 or C124 convertible, and we've got base low, of course. So let's carry on walking around, I guess. Look at this gorgeous Beetle. Now this has come with Kenwood UK, and inside they fitted a doubled-in CarPlay unit in the glove box. And as well as that, obviously it's got full audio set up, front speakers, obviously on airlift performance as well. It's got the controller in the ashtray there. Very, very modern setup, but in a very, very old school car. This must be leery on the road. I mean, it's got plexiglass windows, obviously rear wheel drive, Tillit carbon bucket seats, maybe not sequential box, but short shift box definitely, all carbon dashboard, and then a fuel cell in the front. But basically stock looking, not stock, but very small wheels, let's say. This must be a bit rowdy on the road. Another shoehorn setup, BMW straight 6 in an MX-5. Look at this 190E. I've always been a massive fan of the Falcon liveries, but this is just done down to a T, perfect. White Volk wheels, full Falcon livery, stripped out. Yeah, they've done this very, very well. Not only does it look the part, it goes the part as well, obviously. Got V8 in the front, and it's on X-Low bags. Big up X-Low. Yeah, they've even gone to the extent of cutting out the inner arches, essentially, so that it sits absolutely on its arse. But fair play, completely clean tub. Proper build this is. On to more stancy boys. Big old turbo, no bonnet, big wide slanted wheels, and it's an MX-5. What more could you want? Look at the camber on that. This Escort is nice. Headlight delete, got a big spoolie boy under the bonnet. Compomotive wheels, and it's all white. Right, so that pretty much wraps up the video of Players Classic 2025. And obviously I could not look at every single car here or show you guys every single car here, because there is hundreds, possibly even thousands. But a wicked selection of cars. The amount of time that people put into some of these builds must be unreal. So fair play to everyone that attended, brought their cars down. Wicked selection of cars, and definitely a theme of shiny wheels. What do you think? I'm a big fan of shiny wheels myself, so I can't complain. So that's it from me. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.